Hello and welcome to a new video of Themed Rides. Today we are in Plopsaland Deutschland. And now we're gonna ride the newest edition of Plopsaland Deutschland, 100% Wolf. It's a Gerstlauer roller coaster opened this year, and 2026 it opened already this year. So yeah, it's a family coaster from Gerstlauer, and they are always pretty good. Yes. Yeah, Gerstlauer is making really good family coasters. So yeah, I'm very curious what this ride is gonna say. If you want to know what we think about this one, just watch till the end, of course. And we had just our ride on 100% Wolf, our first ride. I think it's a very playful roller coaster.
Yes.
Very playful. You can compare it a little bit with Wakala in Belwaarde.
Yes.
Also very playful. It's a little bit similar also with you going backwards and all these things. But very playful. It's a nice coaster, really nice.
And the theming is very nice.
Yeah, the theming is really nice. I don't know the cartoon 100% Wolf. I don't know it, but it looks amazing. The theming, I really like it.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a real family coaster. Like I told you, it's a family coaster, so everybody can fit in. So yeah, I really like it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, it's a great addition for this park because now it's Plopsaland Deutschland, so it's Plopsaland, so it's more for children. So yeah, it's a good addition.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah. So if you do already 100% Wolf, just let us know. And if you like this video, put your thumbs up and follow us for the next adventure.